Electronium, Zilliqa,
How you
Supdog,
talking?
BNB,
Good.
Deflationary, IPO,
IPO?
ICO,
Wait, he said IPO. Wait,
many coins,
what?
airdrops, stablecoin, Bus Wallet, Meta. There's so many different terms getting thrown around in crypto and at such a fast pace. I do feel sorry for the people that are new to crypto. They came in thinking, oh, it's just Bitcoin, Ethereum, can buy a few coins. But then they've been hit with all these different terms, and particularly BSC. So BSC is hot right now, and there's a very good reason for that, which I'm going to explain. So if you're new here, before we go any further, make sure you do smash that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss any further crypto videos from me. I don't just do crypto videos, I also do social media tips as well. I've got a social media tips playlist, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, you name it. I do it all on this channel. So go ahead and support me. Give me a thumbs up for this video and give the YouTube algorithm that nudge. Today's video is sponsored by Superdoge with its new token Supdog. The awesome team at Superdoge have created the deflationary meme coin that has a 6% tax rate on every single transaction. 2% is permanently burned from the supply, 2% is distributed to its holders, and 2% is sent directly to charity. That being said, over $200,000 has already been sent to charity. This is a meme coin with a difference. It's not just any meme coin, it's an awesome project. Go ahead and check out superdoge.io for all the information on this. So today's video, I'm going to be concentrating on what you've probably heard the most is BSC. So BSC is Binance Smart Chain, and it's a new platform that aims to lower transaction costs and provide a space to create dapps and other DeFi products for developers. Okay, now when I say lower transaction costs, I mean things like Ethereum's gas fee, which is primarily what was tackled when BSC came by with their smart contracts and BNB. The gas fees are just tremendous. I mean, I'm talking as high as like $300 to move a small amount of Ethereum. Okay, so if you own Ethereum, if you're big with Ethereum, you will know exactly what I'm talking about here. And you've probably come to this video trying to find ways to lower your transaction fees and ways to pretty much get into the DeFi market and the NFT space. Okay, get into BSC, okay, and start swapping your Ethereum, start swapping your tokens around with less fees. So the Binance Smart Chain was developed for that in mind. So it's basically a blockchain network built for running smart contracts applications, okay, and it runs in parallel with Binance's native Binance chain. Okay, so it enables users to have the best of both worlds. So you have the high transaction capacity of the Binance chain and the smart contract functionality of BSC. Okay, so the smart chains, it's been crazy since the start of this year, right? And that's literally to do with Ethereum's congestion and the gas fee issues. Okay, the gas fee issues have just been phenomenal. I mean, it's been just crazy high. People got turned off from Ethereum. Ethereum right now is on fire, and hopefully the gas fees they'll do something with the gas fees, because with so many people coming on board with Ethereum, something needs to be done with the gas fees. So that's where Binance Smart Chain came in, and people who are big investors in Ethereum was looking for other options. People that wanted to get into DeFi was looking for other options that were cost effective and just a better alternative. Okay, so the Binance Smart Chain brought a lot of people in by lowering the gas fee from 15 GWEI to 10. Okay, so that's to counter Binance Coin's BNB's insane price jump to just over $300, which was just crazy. Okay, so while it does run in parallel with BC, the Binance chain, the smart chain is its own blockchain. Okay, so it's its own standalone blockchain. So this means that even if BC stops, even if the blockchain, the Binance chain stops, then if it just stops operating, then the BSC, the Binance smart chain, will continue to run. Okay, so all the functions on the Binance smart chain will still run. And smart contracts, which are Ethereum compatible, are supported by the Binance smart chain as well. Okay, so through this they can still develop or migrate dapps to use on the BSC network with no friction. So the BSC is awesome. It's just got everything going for it, and I'm going to be talking about how to use BSC with applications such as, you've probably heard, Pancake Swap. So what is Pancake Swap? So basically Pancake Swap is a decentralized exchange. So that runs on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so decentralized exchanges is on fire right now because people are looking for alternative ways to deal with their Ethereum and their DeFi projects with lower transaction fees, as I've explained. So this was launched by an anonymous development team who seem to have an obsession with breakfast food and rabbits. Don't ask. But it's the same as Ethereum Sushi Swap. Okay, so it's taken on obviously the number one, which is Uniswap, but there's a very good reason why Pancake Swap is sitting at number 3. So when I say sitting at number 3, if I go on to dapps, if you go onto the dapradar.com and come over onto rankings, I'll leave the link in the description below to this site. So this is basically, it ranks all the top blockchain dapps. Okay, so if you go onto the top dapps over the last 30 days, okay, you'll see that Pancake Swap is sitting at number 3, and quite rightly so. So is this just a copy of Uniswap, or is it a real project of its own? Should we be treating this as its own separate entity in the DeFi market, okay, in the DEX market? Yes, we should, in my opinion, because Pancake Swap has so much more going for it than all the other DEXs that you see popping up, okay? And it's rightfully sitting at that number 3 spot. The reason being is that Pancake Swap offers so much more. It's got its own products in line with the Pancake Swap, the exchange platform, okay? They have rewards, staking, they have lotteries. They even have a launch pad for people to go ahead and launch their own products as well within the Pancake Swap app, okay, using the smart chain technology. So it's got so much more going for it, and the development team haven't just done this lightheartedly, okay. They've really thought about the DEX, and they're bringing everything to the table, and rightly so. They have the market cap to prove it. So if I just go ahead and show you now how the BSC is starting to just dominate the market in terms of DeFi and DEX, okay? So obviously we have Uniswap, which is Ethereum based, okay? But with the Ethereum's high fees, we started to see the BSCs coming on board. Now, as you can see BSC popping up everywhere here, okay? We have Pancake Swap, we have Pancake Bunny, which I'm going to touch on in a moment, okay? We've got Sativa. There's just a lot of BSCs popping up. I mean, some of them I wouldn't really recommend, okay? There's just so many of these DEXs popping up, but the solid ones do rightfully have their position at the top here. So if I just go over the last 7 days and the last 24 hours, I'll just give you an idea of how BSC is slowly starting to creep up and dominate this space, okay? So if we look at Pancake Bunny, for instance, we have NBA, okay, at number 4 here. You look at the balance, it's 0. The users, obviously twice as many users, but look at what you need to look at is the volume, okay? So Pancake Bunny, yes, it's got 43 billion volume, but NBA has 80 million volume, Okay, let's go ahead and look at the last 7 days. Last 7 days, we have Pancake Swap and Pancake Bunny sitting down here at 6 and 7, while we have NBA sitting up at number 3. That's down to, obviously, there's users are more, okay, but look at the volume. Look at the volume in the last 7 days. 7 billion, 3 billion compared to that of the 17.1 million, okay. The last 24 hours, Pancake Bunny 1.37 billion, okay. NBA 1.95 million, okay. So once these charts start to stabilize, once these charts catch up and we see a new 30-day, a new 7-day, a new 24 hours, you'll start to see BSC climbing up and taking these spots, and it's going to be the majority of the top 7 there will be BSCs, okay. So that should give you an idea on how BSC is entering this space and how I think you should really, and I highly recommend that you start getting into Pancake Swap and using that to lower your fees and really get into the DeFi market, okay. So I'm going to go over onto CoinGecko now. I'm just going to show you Pancake Swap on CoinGecko. So they basically have their own, obviously the native coin is Cake, okay, so the native token is Cake. So that's doing very well as well on the market cap front, okay. So if we look at the charts here, in the last 30 days, it's gone up 134%. Okay, so, and the reason for that is it's just on fire right now. The DeFi and the DEX space is on fire. And just recently, meme coins are, there's a lot of meme coins coming out and people are making a lot of money with these coins, with these tokens. And Pancake Swap is at the forefront for people to use, okay. So there's hundreds and thousands of people using Pancake Swap on a daily basis to get on board with these new tokens. So in terms of DEXs, yes, Pancake Swap in my opinion is an entity of its own. I would treat it completely separately from all the other DEXs because they just have so much more to offer. So moving on to what this video is about, BSC. Hopefully this is giving you an insight into what BSC is, the Binance Smart Chain, okay. Pancake Swap uses the Binance Smart Chain effortlessly, and it's just so much easier to use the DApp to convert over your BNBs into Smart Chain. If you check out my last video, I'll show you how easy that is to do. And once you get into the flow of it, you're going to get yourself addicted to grabbing more BNB, swapping out more tokens, and getting involved in different DeFi projects and different tokens and making a bunch of money along the way. And there's a lot of people getting into this. And if I show you the BNB, because naturally BNB price is on the up because of this, okay. You need BNB in order to take part in Pancake Swap. You just need BNB. So naturally people are buying up the BNB. So as you can see, in the last year alone, we're up 3,454%. So the last 30 days we're up 84%. So it's just a wall of green with BNB. Same with Pancake Swap, okay. So Pancake Swap, BNB, BSC, these are all the main elements that you need for success if you're going to get into the DeFi market, the dapps, okay. So what is BSC? BSC is Binance Smart Contract, okay, Binance Smart Chain. How do you use it? Pancake Swap. So go ahead, grab some BNB, grab Pancake Swap. Once you have those and you've got your Trust Wallet, you've got your MetaMask, you are good to go. It's very easy to do, and once you get onto a Pancake Swap, you know exactly what I mean. So just a reminder, this video is sponsored today by Superdoge, okay. So once you do have your BNB and once you have your Pancake Swap up and running, go ahead and search for Supdog. Grab yourself a bunch of Supdog tokens, because I can guarantee you I mean, I'm not going to guarantee, because I'm not a financial advisor and I shouldn't be guaranteeing, but it is a solid project, and I myself am heavily invested in Supdog as well. So I highly recommend that you go ahead and check that token out. There's plenty of other tokens as well, but this one is a real legit and good project. It's doing good. It's giving up to charity, as you've seen in the promotion at the start of this video. So go ahead, check out Superdoge, grab yourself some tokens. Guys, I hope this video has helped you understand what BSC is and how to use it and what good it's doing with transaction fees and things like that. If you have any questions, please do drop in the comments below. You can also DM me, you can Google me, go ahead and reach out to me on any social media platform. If you don't want to miss any further videos from me, smash that subscribe button, tap the bell so you don't miss any future videos, and I shall see you on the next video.